Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi Cancer, water sign. This is April weekly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Cancer. What are the messages for you and what's going on? What are the messages for Cancer and what's going on? Wow. Under the deck, Seven of Wands and the Emperor. I think your person will fight for your attention. They will fight for this connection, Cancer. And you are very defensive. You are doing your work. And the Emperor, you will stand by your power. You will achieve this energy. You are a very honest person. But someone will fight for your attention. So let's see your reading. Recent past, the Empress, Knight of Cups and the Moon. I think there was something mysterious in this connection. Maybe you are feeling that your person is hiding something from you because the Moon card is here, and the person involved in this connection could be Pisces. But someone is coming towards you. If in past already they started, for some your person already approached you. If not, they will, because Knight of Cups energy, it is very slow moving, and the Empress is here. It's you. For some women in this connection could be pregnant, mother, or having kids. So someone is coming towards you, but you feeling that is something, they are hiding something from you. But you are working on yourself. You are working on your self growth, Cancer. Then present, King of Wands, Nine of Swords and Four of Wands. So you want this happiness from your person, Four of Wands energy. You want commitment, you want marriage, but they're hiding something from you. Maybe this is on and off connection, and it creates a lot of anxiety and depression in you, because Nine of Swords energy, you are getting a lot of thoughts. And the King of Wands, but you are working, continuously working on yourself, to taking your control back, to taking your power back, because King of Wands is here. You are working, you are still working to take your control back, because you are getting a lot of thoughts. You want to end this energy. Then future, Six of Cups, King of Cups and Nine of Pentacles. Yes, if you are in separation with your person, they are coming back for reconciliation with their love. King of Cups, they are coming back with the offer, but you will achieve this in near future. There will financial stability, and you will stand by your power. You are no more dependent on anyone, either emotionally or financially. See, Nine of Pentacle energy, you will be in this energy, Cancer. So a lot of water energy. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Pisces. Then Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, fire sign. Then Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, then Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. But lot of water energy. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Lot of water energy. So let's say your person feelings and actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Under the deck, Princess of Wands. Maybe they want to send some message. Maybe for some, you both have age differences also. Six of Swords. So Cancer, let's see your person feelings. Six of Cups. They're thinking about you a lot. Two of Swords came at reverse. Yeah, they got clarity now. So they are going to be choose you, because Two of Swords came at reverse. So Six of Cups and Six of Swords. If you're having any disturbances, if you're having any misunderstandings between both of you, they're ready to solve those misunderstandings between both of you. And Six of Cups, they are thinking about you 24/7 and they want reconciliation with you. If you are in separation with your person, if you are not in separation with your person, they want to marry you. They want to take this relationship to next level. And Page of Pentacles, if they hurt you in past, now they want to say apology, some message, communication is coming. So let's see their actions towards you. Maybe in past they're juggling, they have options. But see, Knight of Pentacles with the Fool. Wow. I think this time they're very, very serious about you, Cancer. Maybe they realize you both. Yes, communication is coming. They're rushing to talk with you. Knight of Swords, they want brand new beginning. They want to take leap of faith. And Knight of Pentacles energy, they're coming back. This time they are very serious and they really want to offer stability and they really want to take this relationship to next level. Because without you, they're feeling heartbroken. Your person feeling sad. Again, lot of air energy. The person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Hanged Man and Three of Wands. Yes, they are stuck on you. They're thinking about you a lot. And Three of Wands energy. So this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. But Three of Wands again waiting. Maybe they're waiting for the right time to come towards you. And Two of Wands. Yes, they're thinking about you. Maybe they have options but they're going to be choose you. But they're thinking about you a lot. Yeah, there is communication is and clarity is coming. Yes, right now for some you both are in separation. I think you maybe decided to walk away from this connection right now. You guarded up Cancer, but they're coming back. They're stuck on you. They're thinking about you a lot. Definitely they will make an action towards you. They're going to be choose you. They're watching you. They're wondering about you. Maybe you are also spying on them. Definitely one person is spying on the other person in this connection. A lot of spying. Yeah. So definitely there it will take some time because Three of Wands with Hanged Man. You person right now they're feeling stuck. In near future they will take action for sure. So let's see your overall energy. You also thinking about them a lot, but you are not showing your feelings, Cancer. So let's see your overall energy for the week. Wheel of Fortune, things are turning out into your favor. Your wishes are going to be granted. And Seven of Swords, maybe in past they hurt you. That's why you are not trusting them. That's why you are guarded up. But this time they're really serious about you. Three of Pentacles. So they really want to work on this relationship. But it's up to you. If they're really putting you in third party situation, then there is no point to give another chance. I am again telling you. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Queen of Wands, Ten of Swords, Princess of Swords and King of Swords. Yes, communication is coming. They're watching you. They are spying on you on social media. They still want rebirth in this connection. Ten of Swords, even though they are in this situation, they still want rebirth. And Queen of Wands, you person also very popular and a very attractive person. And they are very passionate about you. So let's pull some cards from Moon Oracle. Cancer. Let's see your messages from Moon Oracle deck. Hold your vision. Nothing is at set in stone. Okay, hold your vision. Yes, maybe you are not. See, these two cards are correlated with each other. Hold your vision because nothing is yet set in stone. See, because if your person right now your person feeling stuck, they're in waiting period. Maybe they're waiting for the right time, because Wheel of Fortune is also here. So hold your vision. They will come back if you're waiting for them, but it will take some time. Okay, right now they're in the process, they're in the thought process, but in near future they will make action definitely, because they're very very serious about you. They're thinking about you. They want reconciliation with you. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.